All right, 10th graders, very quick video here. I just wanted to kind of make note of something. One of the learning skills that we would be focusing on with Romeo and Juliet is, being able to follow a timeline and place events of a story into correct chronological order. Okay, I think this helps with comprehension. So, I just want you to make note of um, that, this story of Romeo and Juliet takes place over the course of like 5 days. It starts on a Sunday morning ish and it ends on like a Thursday afternoon. And I think that's really crazy to think about, you know, um, uh, what Romeo and Juliet are willing to do um, for each other, and they've only known each other for a couple of days. So I always like teaching this learning target with this place. So I just want you to make note that this quiz, it's acts 1 through 4 in terms of ordering events, but then there are also a few questions dealing with Act 4 and thinking and guessing what's going to happen in Act 5. So try your best. I believe I made the settings to where um, you could attempt the quiz multiple times. So you'll get a couple of tries at it, but really try to think about, you know, what events happened in what order, as that's something we'll be focusing on and we'll have on our Romeo and Juliet final. So let me know if you have any questions.